Got back from Minijet, well, last night. It was a long day, lots of money, lots of kilometers. I think it was, what, 730 kilometers round trip. Took us a good 12-hour day just to go there, load up, talk to Jamie, who's a super awesome guy. But here's everything. An 11-foot and two 12-foot Avengers. So the 11-foot is the same width as the 10-foot, but a foot longer. The 12-footers are the same dimensions as the 10-foot, but 20% bigger. And there's all the parts for it. So we're gonna get started. Start on the bottoms. The 12-footers need the rest of the front welded on to make it look like how the 11-footer is. And then they have to come together to make the shape of a boat. So what we're doing with these pieces, we tack 3 times on the one side, tack twice on the other side, obviously on both at once. Then as everything cools and we know it's in its final shape, then we'll fully weld both sides of that and start on the front. working on the Transom now. So on the newer version, it's a little bit more complicated, but it'll end up to be a nicer product. It's multi-pieces. So on the older style, it was just a straight transom. This gains you a bit more room in the boat. So this is upside down. Your pump will be in here. This gets boxed in. And then now, the boat, again being upside down, you end up with a lot more room on the inside as well as buoyancy at the back. So we're just fitting up this to get ready to put it together.
Let's do it. Wonder Twin activated powers. Come on, more.